Hi guys, I just came back from my 12-hour shift, but look what's waiting for me. There's actually 3 boxes and they're all Hoyas. Hoya, Hoya, Hoya. So these 2 boxes are from one seller, and it is through the Facebook group that I talked about, that I mentioned before. Opening. And yes, I'm still wearing my scrubs. I'm gonna take a shower before I play with Jillian, but I just wanna open this first, get some soil on my hands, and then I'll be clean to play with my daughter. Open. Let me put this down. The box is a little bit tinted. I can see them already. Sean gave me a free plant. You guys have to see this. I'm gonna flip you over. So, I know I didn't order this. He gave me a free one. Thank you, Hoya Hau. Oh. Okay, let's go back. I got a free plant.
Are you on camera or?
Yes. I got a free plant. Why? Now you can have 2 clone too. Oh. So I got an elliptica from Thailand, and right now I'm hoping it's alive. He got me a free Hoya elliptica. And yes, find him on Instagram. His handle is grow.babies, but he sells his plants mostly on that Facebook group, Time to Purge and Splurge, BTS, and his Facebook name is Hoya Hau. Yeah. Got me a elliptica. Oh, hopefully I don't kill this. Thank you. Oh, did I do this? And then okay, I don't know how to. Hoya Kinky Vera. Kinky Vera? Yeah, kinky, no. But look at that. Look at that. So this is a Hoya haul for real. Like, Yes, Jill. Mama's happy. Mama. Okay, I'm just gonna put it. Okay, I don't know how to remove this stuff. How do you? How? Wait, this is like a puzzle. Okay, I'm gonna pull this one out. So this guy here is the pubescent Hoya carrii. So I posted a video on Valentine's Day about my Hoya carrii collection. This is one of the ones that I haven't had yet. So this is a checklist for sure. So it is heart-shaped, just like a regular carrii, but they're fuzzy. So hence the name pubescent. Carrii fuzzy leaves. one here. Oh, this one. This. Sean, look. Sean, look. This is called Hoya teddy bear.
Oh.
And then this guy here is called Hoya teddy bear. I don't know. It's veiny. It's huge. Maybe it's also cuddly like a teddy bear. Hoya Spa Perak. Oh, it's a Perak teddy bear. I guess that's the name, but I got it because of its name, teddy bear. And the last one on this box is, what's your name? I don't even know your name. Hoya something. Rosa, yeah. Sounds pretty too. And I believe that I got a free plant. I got a free plant. I got a free plant. Next box, this is also from Hoya Hau. I think that's how you pronounce it, right? So today, I do work in a cardiovascular unit. We did have a rule out coronavirus, but we transferred them out because, like I mentioned before, I work with open heart patients, so they're basically considered as immunocompromised patients because they have other comorbidities, like they're mostly diabetic, they have some hypertension obviously, and already existing coronary artery heart diseases. But yeah, there's none in my unit. Just took care of post open heart patients and they were nice. I had a good time with them. Okay, go back to the Hoya. Hoya, Hoya, Hoya. How many plants did I buy? I forgot. This is Hoya UT223. It's very veiny. I think they only have numbers because they're not named yet. They're still identified, so they just have. Maybe I'll be able to name a Hoya one day. Maybe. I got a Jennifer. Hoya CV Jennifer. Is there a Hoya Joan or Joanne or Jillian? This one's another veiny. So this is, I think, a cultivar. And CV, I think that's what it stands for. A cultivar. So it's a man-made, it's a hybrid. How do I take them out of the box? What's your name? This one doesn't have a name, but I'll list it up. It has this very delicate looking leaves. It's like ruffled. It's so dainty. Okay. Doesn't have a name. What's the name of it? And this one here is Hoya Thompsonia Splash. This one is, yeah, this one's hairy too. Just like my patella, Hoya patella. And I don't know how much I got, but there's a lot of them here. And Hoya Yush. I cannot read your handwriting. But this is the variegated one. It's a little bit dried up. I think I need to water it. It's pretty. Okay, there's two more in here. This one, look at this. It reminds me of a Hoya Bella, but this one is more of a glossy and the leaf seems to be stiffer, though I know I have a Hoya Bella here somewhere. But yeah, pretty. It's like a, it's not a linearis. This is more of almost a paddle kind of, an elongated paddle kind of leaf. So I still yet to learn more about this Hoya because I've only seen this through his, oh, it's Hoya Engleriana. I need to read more about that guy. And this one, this guy, so he posted that this one doesn't do well with traveling, but then another person who was in the group somewhat reassured me that hers did well. So look at that. And it's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday as I'm recording this. So on Wednesdays we wear pink. This is Hoya Walinayana variegata or variegated Walinayana. Hoya, Hoya, Hoya. You're so amazing. And then I have one more box. This one came from Utah. The other two boxes came from North Carolina. Okay, I'm gonna put it down here. Wow. This must be a big one. It is a big one. You should see what's in front of me right now. It's like, oh yeah. Yes, this is I'll show you guys. I think you kind of have an idea of what kind of Hoya this one is. So it's the Hoya Bella. Bella means beautiful. So Hoya Bella, this one comes in a 6-inch pot. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna go through, like maybe I'll just do a close-up of them, and I got a free plant. So here are my Hoya Hau. This guy here, I got it the other day, but yeah, I haven't showed it to you guys, so but I'm gonna just include it here. This is the Hoya Thompsonii Splash. Wally something. I'm gonna insert the name, but it's beautiful. Look at that. Oops. And this guy too that I don't know the name because it's not here, but I'm gonna insert it. My Hoya Serpens. I don't know why it's called Hoya Serpens. Maybe it's called Hoya Serpens because it looks like a head of a snake. And then this one, Hoya Rosa something. Hoya Kinky Vera. Looks like it looks red when it gets light stress or exposed to sun. And then my free plant. Hoya Fitchii, a cultivar. Or what did he say? A clone of Hoya Fitchii. No, not Fitchii. Hoya elliptica. And then one that checked off my list on one of my carry collection. This beautiful one that looks so delicate. I think I need to water it. It looks so dry. And then this one that's somewhat I feel like they look alike. It's thinner than a Bella, but it's not a Bella, it's a Engleriana. And this guy, this big boy, is the Hoya teddy bear. Hoya Spa Perak teddy bear. So, my Hoya collection just grew overnight. Chad. Now I have how many? I don't know, I don't want to count. Guys, if you decide to join that Facebook group and you happen to be online when Hoya Hau does his Hoya purges, I highly recommend you be on it because his plants are beautiful. And I don't know, yeah, and the prices are good, plants are beautiful, and you can even message him about them because yeah, he's a reputable seller and he's a very nice plant person. So here are my Hoyas after work, my 12-hour shift work. I come home to this, of course, my daughter too and my husband. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you were also excited with me as I was opening and revealing which Hoyas I got this time. Please like and subscribe, and may you always be blessed, and please wash your hands and be safe.